Hey guys, welcome to Tech Brew. So if you're ever looking for a super simple way to convert any type of image, a Word document, any other file that you can normally print to a PDF, today I'm going to show you guys a super easy way just right into Windows. You don't need any other application to do this. So you can super easily get a printable file, any type of file that you could normally print, into a PDF format that you could then share or whatever you need to do with it. So for instance, I'm going to be using an image for this example, but like I said, you can use this for anything you print. So if you're using like a Word document, you can also use that, and you can just simply just go to the print section and just do exactly what I show you guys here, and it should work just fine. So now that we're on the screen over here, I'm in Windows Photos viewer basically, and over here there's just a simple print button. In most applications you can just press Ctrl B and it should just work. You just want to go ahead and go to the print section, and now I already have it set to Microsoft Print to PDF, but if you have it normally set to maybe a printer or a fax machine or whatever it might be, what you need to do is just set it to Microsoft Print to PDF. Basically what this allows you to do is convert any image, document, or whatever, something like that, to a simple PDF file so that you can go and use it later. Now what you want to do is you can just go ahead and choose the orientation and stuff. So if I want to be a portrait file, just like most PDFs, I could choose that, and that's really it. Now you just need to go ahead, if you want to change any more settings you can do so, but then just click print, and then it's going to ask you where you actually want to go ahead and basically keep this file. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it on my main desktop, and I'll just call this test, but you could really call it anything you want, mattering what you want the PDF file to be called. Now you can go ahead and close that, and over here you can see the PDF file is already here. I can just go ahead and click on it, and you should just have it open, and now you can easily go take this file wherever you want. If you want to use it somewhere else, you can go send it, and it's really that easy to convert a image or a other document to a PDF just through Windows 10 and the power of Microsoft Print to PDF. So thank you guys for watching today's video on how to print basically any type of file to a PDF. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos, please be sure to subscribe. And yeah, that's it for today's video.